Subscribe to Beautification channel for all craft and DIY videos. Also hit bell icon to get updates. It's totally free.
Hello guys, this is Purnima and welcome to my channel Beautification. Today I am going to show you how I made these beautiful silk bangles. You can use any old bangle or you can buy new bangles that are your size, and you can beautify them using the silk thread. You can use any silk thread or wool thread or a simple thread that you have. I like the finish of silk thread as it gives a little satin finish, so I use the silk thread. So for this you just need any plate or any flat surface. You can use any cardboard and you just have to roll your silk thread like that. Make sure that you're holding one end of the thread with your thumb like I'm holding it, and just keep rolling it until you have good 15 to 16 rolls. Cut the excess. Now you have to use Fevicol. Make sure that you're using Fevicol or fabric glue to use that, because it works perfectly fine with silk thread and it doesn't destroy it, and it is perfectly safe for hands as well. As you can see that I'm using a very tiny amount because you don't need a lot, and just spread it, and this will make sure that your silk thread is completely binded and it won't come loose. And as you can see that I have used scissors to cut it, and here is my silk thread completely ready to tie. I'm using Fevicol here to attach my silk thread to my bangles. It is very easy to use. You can also use fabric glue or any white glue that you have, and just by using the end that I have glued, I will start rolling my silk thread around the bangles. It is very easy. You can use any color thread that you want. You can also use multiple colors. I will also show you how I use multiple color threads in the future videos. As you can see, it gives a very beautiful and sheen touch because of the silk thread. And very easily and very slowly, just keep wrapping it. Make sure that you cannot see your bangle underneath the thread, and make sure that the roll that you're doing is very tight and secure so that the thread doesn't come loose. And once it is done completely, just seal it through Fevicol, and here it is complete. I have completed it. You can decorate it however you want. You can use mirror, you can use chains, and you can leave it as that as well. It looks beautiful. I have used a yellow color because it works well with any color dresses. You can also use it with any color sarees, western dresses, or Indian dresses. As you can see, I have wore this and it looks very beautiful. You can use multicolor or you can use any color that you want. I really like the finish. Guys, if you like this video, please hit like and subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos. Thank you.